Hey lovers of everything with Labby, so I'm going to be making ogbono right now, and to make my ogbono, this is the ogbono. It's been blended, grinded into powder form. Okay, just gonna put a little in a bowl and typically just mix it with some water. This is the pot I'm going to be using. It just got ordinary water in the pot at the minute. Ogbono doesn't take time to cook. It's just every other thing that you need to put in. This is pre-cooked meats and different kind of obstacles that's gonna be in my ogbono. That is just it in the pot at the minute. Just cover that up and let it just boil a little bit. And in my ogbono, I'm gonna put some water to stir it, make it into a paste. Ogbono doesn't need too much. Just gonna stir the powder form, the powder ogbono. I don't know how much this will be. By the way, ogbono is a slimy, drawy Nigerian soup used to eat any swallow of choice. More like okra. That should be okay. Just gonna give that a stir. That is well combined into a paste, sort of. I'm going to be making quite a big batch of cooking. The ogbono is going to be the first one because I've got everything I need sorted to make the ogbono. That's been pre-cooked already. I'm going to be putting some prawns in. Yeah. And where's my crayfish? I've got crayfish here, but I've got some more. The new batter I brought from Nigeria. Let's see, where are you, crayfish? Yeah, this is my big bag of crayfish. But I'm going to be using the old one first before I use the new one. Not like it matters, but just let the old one go first before I put in the new one. I've had this one for nearly a year. And that's how long my Nigerian foodstuffs last me. So while my meat is cooking, boiling, I'm gonna get my Maggi ready. Okay, I just put some of this my stockfish and panla fish in the okra, in the beef that's boiling at the minute. And because I put some water in, I'm just gonna put a little bit more spice, a little bit more seasoning, just to bring out the flavor of the soup. Because why not? The more the merrier. And put some more water, salt rather, in. Okay, that should be enough salt. When the ancestors say stop, we stop. And just leave that stay around. That's well combined. So I'm gonna put some of my prawns in it. That should be okay. That's mine. Ogbono. It's congealed. This is palm oil because when in UK it's congeals and forms this thick whatever because it's cold way in winter. In the summer it doesn't form this way. A lot of people make the ogbono a different way. This is how I am making mine. There is no wrong way or right way to it. Okay, that should be enough red oil. I'm just going with my crayfish all at once. Okay. Combine it all thoroughly. Let them marry themselves. Let them all marry themselves. I think it's safe to put my look at the ogbono. Mix it all around. Let me bring the camera closer for you guys to appreciate my ogbono again. Can you see how full my pot is? Once this is done, it's gonna be in the freezer. Just for cooking today. Because that's the way the UK lifestyle is. It helps you to plan yourself well in advance. So you're not caught off guard. Just gonna give that a minute to cook and check it out later.
A few moments later.
Hey lovers, let's review our ogbono. Ooh la la. See? Can you see? Let me put a little bit more crayfish in it. This is done already. 5 minutes soup, but it's very expensive. About a pint of ogbono for 10,000 naira. A derica, not a pint. Derica. Derica measurement. The Derica measurement is just like this: 10,000 naira in Nigeria. I'm like, and now it's super optional to either put vegetable in it or not. But yeah, because I'm making it like an Igbo girl that I would have been, but unfortunately I am a Yoruba girl, I'm putting some ugu leaf in it. Because why not? The more vegetables we're able to eat in this country, the better. Healthy eating, healthy cooking, because we basically eat. I try to make my family eat about 80% home cooked meals. Very easy to forget yourself and be on fast meals in the abroad, especially with the kind of work system, work life balance that we have here. It's very easy. So my ogbono is very thick. I'm just gonna put some water in just to balance it out a little bit. This looks good and smells good. No capping. This would go really nice with some swallow. Ẹ wojú ọbẹ̀ múyàn now. Ẹ wojú ọbẹ̀ kẹ́ múyàn now. Every spoonful is full. Every spoonful is full. Oh my God. My husband needs to pay my bride price all over again because what's all this? Damn it, I'm proud of myself.